I accidentally made the most confusing cake ever. A few weeks ago, the internet decided that covering an entire cake with tiny colorful dots was the greatest invention of our generation. Not a new flavor, not a new technique, just dots. Millions of them. And somehow I couldn't stop watching. So naturally, I thought to myself, what if I made a dot cake? But then I had another idea. What if I made a dot cake completely wrong? Which, if you've ever watched my videos, is basically my speciality. Most people are making beautiful vanilla cakes, elegant cakes, fancy cakes, professional cakes. Meanwhile, I looked at a pan of cornbread and thought, you know what? This seems like a great life decision. And that's when the chaos started, because plain cornbread wasn't enough. No, I had to soak it in honey butter. If we're making questionable choices, we're making them all the way. The thing about honey butter is that it makes you feel powerful. 1 second you're brushing a little bit on top. The next second you're pouring enough butter onto the cake to concern your ancestors. At this point, the cake smelled incredible. The kitchen smelled incredible. I smelled incredible. Everything smelled like butter. But we're just getting started, because now we needed something for the dots to stick to. And instead of frosting, I used white chocolate, because apparently I woke up and chose maximum sweet. Now here's where things got dangerous. The white chocolate looked perfect. The cornbread looked perfect. I could have stopped right here. A normal person would have stopped right here. But I wasn't going to be normal. I was trying to cover an entire cake in approximately 7 billion sprinkles. That's right, 7 billion. The cornbread soaked up all that honey butter. The inside stayed soft and moist. The white chocolate added sweetness. And the sprinkles, a little crunch. And somehow, all of these completely random decisions worked together. I expected this to taste like a joke. Instead, it tasted like something I'd actually make again. If you want to see what I put dots on next, follow for more baking experiments.